The fourth annual Africa Dialogue Trade and Investment Conference is currently underway in Sun City. A little earlier today, Godfrey Mutizwa caught up with Tapiwa Mashakada, Minister of Economic Planning and Investment Promotion in Zimbabwe. Let's take a look.
The take-home value is that we have to market Africa as a region. A market of 1 billion people, we need to maximize on that scale. So it's about scalability. Let's attract investment as a region and act collectively to bring investors onto the continent. We've got a lot of resources and a lot of opportunities that we need to showcase as one continent.
Yeah, but Market Integration Minister also supposes a harmonization of the policies across African governments, across the whole continent. Now, as we know, we're talking about 54 African countries, and the different voices in there sometimes are not always speaking from the same hymn book.
Yeah, true, but you may realize that even on the area of investment and trade, there have been a lot of convergences that are being pushed by African governments. The SADC has got a protocol investment, COMESA has got a common investment area, and so are other regional blocks. So there's that commonality and that common vision that is being pursued to act as Africa.
Are those working, do you think, or do we need to introduce changes that make them more efficient and perhaps move faster towards integration, or is speed not the answer here?
I think the bottleneck has to do with the policy environments and institutional frameworks, regulatory frameworks in the different African countries, which really fundamentally differ as to defeat the whole purpose of moving on to a common platform.
Now, Zimbabwe, of course, is in the spotlight because we do know that Zimbabwe boasts the second largest platinum reserves in the world. There are a lot of mineral resources, and interest in the country, outside of Zimbabwe itself and in Africa, is huge. Now, from where you're seeing in terms of investment flows into the country, what are you seeing and where are they coming from?
There's been a lot of interest in the commodities in Zimbabwe. By commodities, I am referring to mineral resources as well as natural resources, agriculture and so on, agro-processing and so on and so forth. You realize that Zimbabwe has got almost all the minerals that you can imagine on earth. And so there's been a huge demand, especially from the BRICS, from China, from Russia. The Australians, the South Africans, the Canadians have always been in the country. So they've maintained their investments, but we've seen a renewed interest, especially from the Chinese, especially for gold, platinum and chrome.
Okay, so give us some numbers. 2011, what did you see? What's the target for 2012?
The 2012, in terms of investments, we are looking at about $1 billion worth of investments in mining.
US dollars.
Yeah, worth investments in mining. Because mining, is a long-term business, and you need to invest substantially in order to start to generate a profitable business. Yeah. The whole mining sector in Zimbabwe would require about $6 billion to recover in the next 5 years.